Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
French press. Bad press. The French press has been in the news for a while as an unhealthy way to brew coffee, because its filter doesn't filter out the cafestol. Cafestol is a substance that causes the body's LDL, the bad cholesterol, levels to rise.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instant coffee and drip brewed coffee had negligible amounts, and espresso had intermediate amounts. Research has shown that drinking 5 cups of coffee daily over 4 weeks from a French press brewing method can increase blood cholesterol levels by 6 to 8%.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Due to its concentration, espresso contains more caffeine per unit volume than most other coffee beverages. However, French press coffee contains a jitter-inducing 107.5 mg per 8-ounce cup. This actually makes a cup of French press coffee more caffeine-rich than one small shot of espresso. 23 August 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Paper filters in drip machines absorb much of the oil in your coffee grounds. French press doesn't soak up flavor and adds tiny bits of coffee grounds in the coffee that percolates flavor. French press allows for steeping. Because the grounds steep instead of filter, the coffee tastes better. 18 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.